In the world of online home buying, first impressions are everything. Potential buyers are scrolling through countless listings, and you have just seconds to catch their eye. This is where professional photography and videography come in. High-quality visuals are no longer just a nice-to-have. They're essential for showcasing your home's beauty and attracting serious buyers. Think about it. When you're browsing online, what makes you stop scrolling? It's usually a striking image or an intriguing video. The same principle applies to real estate. Professional photos and videos instantly draw viewers in, making them want to learn more about your property. They create an emotional connection, piquing curiosity, and inviting potential buyers to imagine themselves living in your space. Dull, poorly lit photos simply won't cut it in today's digital world. These can actually harm your chances of attracting buyers. Instead, you want images that highlight your home's best assets, creating a sense of spaciousness, light, and warmth. This is where the expertise of a professional photographer makes all the difference. Professional real estate photographers have a keen eye for detail and understand how to capture a space in its most flattering light. They use professional-grade equipment and techniques to ensure your listing photos are top-notch. One crucial aspect is understanding how to use light to their advantage. They'll know the optimal time of day to shoot each room and how to use natural and artificial light to create a warm and inviting ambiance. Beyond lighting, these professionals have a knack for showcasing a room's best features. They know how to compose shots that highlight spaciousness, architectural details, and unique design elements. Strategic angles can make a room appear larger, while carefully placed props can create a sense of style and personality. It's about presenting your home in its most aspirational light, allowing potential buyers to envision themselves living there. A professional photographer understands that every detail matters. They'll ensure that your home is free of clutter, that furniture is arranged to maximize space, and that the overall aesthetic is cohesive and inviting. Remember, you only have one chance to make a first impression. While photos are essential for showcasing your home's beauty, videography takes it a step further by providing an immersive and dynamic viewing experience. A well-produced video tour allows potential buyers to virtually step inside your home and explore it at their own pace. They can experience the flow of the layout, imagine themselves moving from room to room, and get a feel for the overall ambiance of the space. Video tours are particularly impactful for showcasing features that are difficult to convey through static images alone. For instance, a video can capture the feeling of spaciousness in an open-plan living area, the natural light streaming through large windows, or the tranquility of a backyard oasis. It's about creating an emotional connection with viewers, allowing them to truly envision themselves living in your home. Drone footage is another powerful tool in the real estate videographer's arsenal. It provides breathtaking aerial views of your property, showcasing its location, surroundings, and curb appeal from a unique perspective. Imagine showcasing a sprawling backyard with a pool, a charming neighborhood nestled amidst lush greenery, or stunning waterfront views. Drone footage elevates the visual narrative of your listing, creating a lasting impression on potential buyers. In today's competitive real estate market, it's more crucial than ever to make your listing stand out from the crowd. Professional photography and videography are no longer optional. They're essential investments that can significantly impact your selling success. By showcasing your home in its best light, you're not just attracting more potential buyers, you're attracting the right buyers. High-quality visuals signal to potential buyers that you're serious about selling your home and that you've taken the time to present it in its most appealing light. This can translate into quicker sales, higher offers, and a smoother overall selling experience. In a sea of online listings, professional photography and videography are the keys to capturing attention, generating interest, and ultimately selling your home for the best possible price. Think of it this way. You're not just selling a property, you're selling a lifestyle. Professional photography and videography help you tell a story about your home, showcasing its potential and allowing buyers to envision themselves creating their own memories there. It's about presenting a complete package that's too good for buyers to resist. In the digital age of real estate, professional photography and videography are no longer just nice-to-haves. They're essential for selling your home effectively. Investing in these services is investing in the successful and profitable sale of your property. So, if you're ready to elevate your listing and attract serious buyers, consider partnering with experienced professionals who can capture your home's unique beauty and charm. Ready to explore more insights on making your home shine online? Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell to stay updated on the latest tips and tricks for a successful home sale.